These are the funniest cops moments. At number 5, arrest me, officer.
Officer, arrest me! Now. Arrest me, officer!
At number 4, he thought he had a warrant.
Last time you didn't.
Oh, that was you?
That was me. This is citation for driving on suspended license, okay?
Yes, and I'm paying on
At number 3, why is he mad?
What kind of details do you need?
Your name.
Name? What is my name now?
Because I'm asking you politely, what's your name?
Well, you want to go on a date or something?
No, I really don't.
I didn't think so.
I'm asking your name.
Why are you asking for my name?
Because I'm asking politely for your name.
Usually you ask for the other people's name if you want to go on a date. But I am married, I'm telling you that now.
Okay, I'm really
So you
glad
got
it's
no
a date,
chance.
okay.
Absolutely not. Especially with them eyebrows. Absolutely not.
At number 2, UK police at it again.
Hey, mate! You can't park there!
At number 1, that's the end of the line for her.